All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Content 101. Today, we're talking about EQing your vocals with TDR Nova and Claude. That's right, man, mixing Claude with some of your VST plugins. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. I'm releasing more content like this to teach you guys how to do stuff for free. And also, down in the description, I'm gonna put a free download link to all these presets. Remember that my microphone of choice and my microphone I have is the Neumann TLM 102. So if you're not using that same microphone, your results may vary, but I'm going to include all these presets for free in the link down below in the description. One of the most used industry plugins that I see is the FabFilter Pro. There's the FabFilter Pro Q3, the FabFilter this, the FabFilter that. FabFilter is one of the top used plugins. FabFilter Pro is going to cost you a pretty penny. Okay, so most people don't want to pay for an EQ when a lot of DAWs come with a stock EQ that's pretty good. But if you're looking for the best free alternative to FabFilter, it's going to be TDR Nova. You can do the research yourself. The research is going to bring you to TDR Nova. So you can go online and look for presets or this and that. But what I decided to do was use Claude to make a preset. Simply what I did was with a new TDR Nova, I'm going to create a new one just to kind of show you guys. I took this last band and I just rolled it off and I made a high pass filter, right? Then I came up here to this little icon here and I exported this preset. I dropped that preset into Claude and I just told it, you know, Tory Lanez engineer back vocal chain uses FabFilter Pro Q3 primarily for reductive EQ cleanup. You know, high pass filters, narrow cuts for muddy and nasally frequencies, and subtle corrective notches rather than heavy tonal shaping. So basically, I just asked it to make me a corrective preset. So coming down, it did just that. It made me a Tory Lanez preset. I brought it into TDR Nova, and TDR Nova told me the preset's imported, but it doesn't work. So I'm like, okay, so I took that message and copied and pasted it back into Claude. Claude's like, good catch. I know exactly why. It figured everything out. It redid it and gave it to me again, the Tory Lanez preset again. I put it in. I'm like, man, it worked. Okay, let's get 5 more presets for male R&B vocals and rap. So it starts cooking up presets for me, and I'm like, wow, I'm getting EQ presets for TDR Nova custom that work. So then I went into my Studio One project folder, like within my files, and I opened up one of the folders for one of my songs, and I went into the media and started grabbing the recordings. Because in order to train or get a correct EQ for my voice and for what I'm doing, I needed it to be trained on what I was recording. I use a different kind of mic than Tory Lanez or you at home or whatever, so I gave Claude one of the vocal recordings from the folder, the raw recordings from the session, so it could hear the room tone and hear my microphone and everything. And then I said, make a few more presets based on what you hear in this vocal. And you see here it says, I analyzed the actual spectrum of your clip, and here's what your voice is doing on this. Like, it went in. And now it's creating a plugin based upon these voices, the fundamentals, the lows, the mid lows, the dark leaning tone. It created a preset now for my mic, the room that I recorded in, because I'm going to be recording with this mic and in this room a lot. So now the presets are more tuned to my mic and my vocals. Let's jump back in and let's check some of them out. I mean, every preset I have in here on this TDR Nova is from Claude. Every preset. So let's take a listen to some of these. Let's do a before and after.
Let me finish what you started. You know you the baddest, you were got it. Let me finish what you started. You know you the baddest, you were got it. Let me finish what you started. You know you the baddest, you were got it.
Some of them are creative effects, like this CB Trucker radio.
You know you the baddest, you were got it. Let me finish what you started. You know you the baddest, you were got it. Let me finish what you started. You know you the baddest, you were got it. Let me finish what you started. You know you the baddest, you were got it. Let me finish what you started. You know you the baddest, you were got it. Let me finish what you started.
So I started getting really creative. I started telling it, give me presets that I can use for my filmmaking as well. And it gave me intercom presets and lo-fi tape VHS, and here's one called Through the Wall. Let's hear how this one sounds. Okay. So now I can drop TDR Nova into my DaVinci Resolve session and start EQing things like through the wall conversations, or maybe you're listening to a couple argue through the wall in a film. So there's underwater, submerged. So I just started going crazy and getting creative and telling it to make me all these different presets for different things. Walkie-talkie.
Finish what you started. You know you the baddest, you got it.
And obviously you can add a little static, a little reverb to make these effects closer, but just the actual EQ curve itself is there. Let's get back into, here's a R&B smooth and warm.
Let me finish what you started. You know you the baddest, you got it.
Let's try this vocal cleanup start. This is just a starting point for a vocal clean.
Finish what you started. You know you the baddest, you got it.
Dynamics, everything baked in. You know, Claude did it all. So this has just been a test for you guys, just to show you what is possible with AI. Not trying to replace anyone's job, but I know that some of you guys are young guys at home. You're working a job, you're trying to make ends meet, and you're trying to do your art, and you're trying to be creative. And more than anything, I want to help you be creative, because as a teenager, I was in your position and I wanted to do these big budget things with no budget, with no money. Like, I was a high schooler. So as I got older, I continued down that path of studying and trying to figure out how to bring these things to the everyday consumer. And this is how it can be done. This is your free alternative to your Pro Q3, and you can start getting some amazing EQ curves by just telling Claude what you're going for and uploading the audio that you're trying to EQ. So get out there, man, be creative, keep creating, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Content 101. Peace.